Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'll be showing you one of the new features in Odoo version 19. We'll be looking at the commissions feature and adjustments and the transparency it gives you. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is go into settings, make sure commissions are on. Then we're going to go into the commissions module. So then up here you have your different options. You can set achievements, different plans, and then what we're going to look at more specifically is the adjustments. So this allows you to adjust who you're going to give or reduce commissions from. So you can set that in both these fields. You can set the achieved amount and what date it's going to happen. And it's a simple tool to make these adjustments as well give transparency to yourself and your team. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.